In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a voiceover using CapCut on your desktop. The procedure is the same with Windows or Linux or even on Mac. In this case, I'm going to use Mac operating system. So all you need is start by opening your CapCut software, and then you can come all the way to this icon. You can see it, record voiceover. You can just click on it, and it's just going to allow for it to record. So you can see you can specify your input device over here. Whatever device you have connected, you can specify it, and you specify the volume. And if you want to reduce echo and mute project, you can do that as well. So once you're done, you specify whatever you want. You can just click on record, and it is going to start recording after the timer. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is just a test of my recording with CapCut. Once you're done, you click on done, and it is going to finish the recording and put in the audio that it has recorded into the timeline, so you can proceed with your editing. So you can play to have a preview. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is just a test of my recording with CapCut. So you can close on this, and then you can see you have your audio inserted into the timeline. So once you play, you have a preview. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is just a test of my recording with CapCut. If you're done, you can just go ahead, come to share, and then you can export audio only, not with video, and you can just specify the name and the direction and click on export. This is going to export your audio directly to that location. If you find this helpful, please leave a like.